What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So today I have a very exciting video for you, and that is 10 gift ideas for her. This is for all those special ladies in your life, whether it is your mom, your sister, your friend, or your girlfriend. I have a little bit something here for everyone. As always, all the products that I will be discussing will be linked down below in the description box. But it doesn't stop there. We are nearly at 5,000 subscribers here on my channel. I thought, what better time to do a giveaway than around the holiday season? So I will be giving away 8 of the items that I will be showing you today. And that means 8 people have a chance to win. The details of this giveaway will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump right into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon so you never miss one of my uploads. Now without further ado, let's get right on into it. And I also wanted to mention that none of these products are sponsored. This video is not partnered with YouTube or anybody else. All of these products are really just products that I love and found really unique, and I wanted to share them with you. So the first item that I'm going to talk about is one that actually has not arrived yet, so we're just going to get that one right out of the way, but I will be popping up a picture on the screen here for you. And that is actually the Olaplex holiday set, and you can actually pick that one up at Sephora, and it's a really good deal because normally one bottle is around $38, so to get 4 bottles for $54 is a steal. Now I actually wrote a whole blog post on the Olaplex products, and I will link that down below if you want to read more on it, but basically it is like the most amazing hair product to have ever hit the market, in my personal opinion. I've been using it for a few months now, and I have really noticed a difference in the texture of my hair and just how healthy it's been, and it's been splitting a lot less. So if you know somebody in your life who could use a little bit of hair therapy, or even just yourself, definitely consider picking that up because I feel like it is the best deal that you will get on the Olaplex products. The next product I wanted to discuss is actually this 3-rod curling iron, which is supposed to actually crimp your hair. I haven't personally tried it, so this is one of the ones that I'm going to hold on to because I do want to do a review on it. So basically it looks like this, and you just take your hair and you clamp it right in there. And I believe you just kind of go down the shaft of your hair. It comes with a few hair clips as well, so it's a pretty good deal, and I think this is only $30. I know it was definitely under 40, so I know it's a really good deal, and it had really good reviews on Amazon. Again, I will link all these products down below. This one I won't be including in the giveaway because I do want to do a review on it. But if you or somebody you know loves to have those beautiful mermaid waves, definitely consider picking that one up. The next product I have here is the Sand and Sky Ultimate Pore Perfecting Kit. And I love the Sand and Sky products. I have used their Australian pink clay mask, and I've actually noticed a really big difference in just the texture of my skin, and it definitely helps with breakouts. But I would definitely recommend this, and this one actually also comes with the Flash Perfecting Exfoliating Treatment, and it comes with the pore refining mask with the little application brush. And it looks like it also comes with a mitt here, so really good deal, and definitely a good gift for someone who likes to keep up with their skincare. Okay, so moving right along, we have the Saint Tropez Self Tan Express Starter Kit, and I really love Saint Tropez. I have tried all different types of self tanners, and I always come back to this one. I just feel like it applies really flawlessly, it never streaks, it fades really evenly, so you don't have that weird patchiness, and it's very olive and it's not orange, so it's great for even those who are really fair skinned. Now this comes with a tan enhancing moisturizer, it comes with the 1-hour advanced self tanning mousse, and it also comes with a tan enhancing polish, and it also comes with the application mitt. So this is a really good deal, a great gift for someone who likes to have a nice tan, or somebody that is looking to get into self-tanning. Definitely would recommend this one. So the next gift idea I have is this little aromatherapy bracelet, and I'll show you a better view of it in the try-on portion. But basically it is a double banded bracelet, and it comes with a variation of different little colored inserts that you actually put into the face of it, and you choose your favorite essential oil, and you can switch it up whenever you want, and it's just a really kind of unique gift that I haven't really seen or heard of before, and You know, for people who are really into essential oils or aromatherapy, or just need something to help keep them calm throughout the day, I think this is a really good gift idea, and I actually think that it looks like a really cool, you know, fashionable bracelet, and it would go with a lot of different pieces. So this next one I'm really excited about, and that is the phone charging passport holder, and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors, but this is the one that I chose to do for the giveaway, and it just says "Take me anywhere." And what I love about it is that it's super roomy, so you can put your phone in here, and your phone would actually tuck in right here into the band. But the cool part is it has this portable battery, and it works for both Android and iPhone. And there's also a little USB here, and you have little pockets for any of your credit cards or cash. There's just a lot of room in here, and you can zip everything up and keep it nice and safe. So this is just a really useful and great gift, especially for people who love to travel. It'll keep all of your belongings nice and safe and keep your phone well charged. The next product I have here is actually this small little jewelry box, and it's a hard case. So I feel like this one is really good for travel as well. And basically you just open it up, and you can see that here you can just stick in maybe like different necklaces and things like that. But then there is also a second level for rings and other miscellaneous jewelry. And in this flap here, you can actually hook your earrings in. So there's holes that go all the way through for stud earrings. So it's just a great way to keep all of your jewelry really organized when you travel. I personally like to bring tons of jewelry with me, and I always just throw it into like a bag, and everything gets really tangled and messed up. So if you know somebody, or you personally are looking for something to help you with your jewelry when you travel, I definitely recommend this. Next item I have here is a travel mug, but it is not just any travel mug, it is a collapsible travel mug, which makes it great for storage. So when you are done with your coffee or your tea and you want to just stick this into your bag, you can simply just plug up the hole here on the top so that none of the residual coffee leaks out, and you can simply just collapse it, and you can just stick it right into your purse or your glove compartment. Super easy. Really a great idea for people who are on the road all the time or are just trying to be conscious about wasting plastic. And then when you need it again, you simply just go and you pull it right back out. And then it has a little grippy thing, which obviously you can also stick on the collapsible part. So it all just fits right together, like that. Now, while we are on the topic of trying to save the environment, my next item I have here is a reusable straw. And this one actually has a little hook so that you can put it on your keychain. So when you are on the go, you always have it with you. And basically you just unscrew it and you take it out, and it expands. So you can have it for all different sizes of drinks, and inside of it is a little brush that cleans it. And what's great about this is it has this silicone bit at the top here. That way you don't have to worry about chipping your tooth on metal. And this is 100% stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about it rusting or anything like that. And then you simply just stick it back in there and screw the lid back on, and you are good to go. So again, just a handy idea for somebody who is always on the go or just being environmentally conscious. Save the turtles, guys. So the next gift I have here is actually this portable makeup mirror, and what's great about this is it's battery powered, and you simply just open it, push the button, and it lights up. Oh, yep, there you can see my lighting camera equipment. What's cool is you have the big mirror in the middle here, but if you need more of a close-up to do your eyebrows or mascara, you have 2 times the magnification and 3 times the magnification. So it's just really unique and handy, especially if you don't have a lot of room or you have really poor lighting in your house or apartment like I do. This is just a really great and affordable gift, and I think a lot of people can really use it, especially for people who are even in college. This last gift really isn't that exciting, but I felt like I should talk about it anyway, and that is silk pillowcases or satin pillowcases. And the reason I want to talk about this is because I, for a long time, always used regular cotton pillowcases, and I noticed I always had a lot of breakage around my hairline, and my hair would just always be like fuzzy and like split. And since switching over to a satin pillowcase about a year ago, that has completely stopped and my hair has been a lot healthier. So you'd be really surprised just what a simple pillowcase can do for you. And a bonus is it's actually also better for your skin because your skin can't get stuck in weird positions when you sleep. You know, like when you sleep and you wake up and you have like these lines all over your face and like wrinkles under your eyes. This will stop that because your skin will be unable to be stuck in a certain position. So anyway, these ones were super affordable. I believe for the set it was under $10, so I will link them down below, but of course they will be available in the giveaway. So that is all of the items that I have for you today. Hopefully you got some really good ideas and you're feeling inspired. And I will be giving away 8 products to 8 lucky winners. So if you're interested in any of these items, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram account. And most importantly, I will have a form linked down below in the description box for you. So you need to make sure that you fill all of that out. And lastly, when you are all done filling out the forms and follow me on social media, make sure to comment "done" down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out, and thank you so much for watching.